So in this video, we're going to look at some GCSE crossover questions again. So these are the questions that appear on the back half of the foundation paper or the front half of the higher paper. So question 1 that we're going to look at, I'm going to read it through with you, give you some time or suggest that you pause the video to answer the question, then go through the answer. So 200 people live in a village, 23 do not have a garden, 10 males do not have a garden. It's important that says people and then males. 95 are male. Use this information to complete the frequency tree. So I'll pause the video now and then give that a go. So the first thing we can fill in is that 23 people do not have a garden. So I can put that 23 there, just cross that off. 10 males do not have a garden. So of those that don't have a garden, 10 of them are male. And cross that off. 95 people overall are male. Well, actually, I now know then that this box, add this box, are 95 in total. So that's the total of males. If there's 10 in this one, there's got to be 85 in this one. Next thing I'm going to work out, because actually now what I've done is used all three of those. So I can use this one. If I know that 23 don't have a garden, of which 10 are male, the remainder must be female. So to work out this, I've got to do 23 minus 10, which is 13. Then I'm looking at this one. If I know that there's 200 people in total and 23 don't have a garden, to work out the number that do, I'm going to do 200 minus 23. And this is a calculator paper, so I can type that into my calculator and get 177. Okay, and then actually to get this one, it's going to be the 177 because that's how many people have a garden, minus the number of males, so 177 minus 85 leave me with 92. Okay, so next question, I've got one of the people who does not have a garden is chosen at random. What's the probability that they are female? So give that a go. Okay, we're looking at the people who don't have a garden, so it's out of 23 because we know that they don't have a garden. The probability that the female, well, there's 13 out of 23, so that's going to be my answer there. So, second question. Let's read it through. Emily buys a pack of 12 bottles of water and the pack costs £5.64. She sells all 12 bottles for 50p each. Work out the percentage profit and give your answer to one decimal place. It's important, that bit. If you don't give it to one decimal place, you can't get the full marks. So, first thing I'm going to do, I want to work out how much she made by selling them. So I've got 12 times 50p, and I'm going to do it like that because then my answer's in pounds. So 12 times 50p gets me £6. If the pack costs £5.64, the actual profit would be £6 minus £5.64, which is 36 pence, or £0.36. That's how we've worked the rest out. So to work out the percentage profit, I'm going to do actual profit divided by the original and times it by 100 to make it a percentage. So the actual profit is 36 pence. So if I'm writing it this time in pence, divided by the original. So the original is how much she paid, 564, because we're leaving it in pence, times 100. Or I could do 0.36 over 5.64 times by 100 as well. So 36 out of 564 times by 100 is 6.3829, etc. But I want it to one decimal place, so it's 6.4%. Okay, third question. So give that one a go. In London, 1 litre of petrol costs 108.9 pence. In New York, 1 gallon of petrol costs $2.83. 1 gallon is 3.785 litres and £1 is $1.46. Which city is the petrol better value, London or New York? So what we need to do here, we need to get everything to the same. So make a decision. Either we're going to convert to London, we're going to convert it to litres and pence, or we're going to convert it to gallons and dollars in New York. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert the London one, I think, to dollars. So 1 litre is 108.9 pence. Well, actually, I need 3.785 litres to be equivalent to 1 gallon. So I'm going to do, to get from 1 litre being 108.9 pence, I need 3.785 litres. So I'm going to times by 3.785. So I've got to multiply this side also by 3.785, sorry. Okay, so 108.9 times 3.785 gets me 412.1865 pence. And I've got to now convert that to dollars. So I want it in pounds first, so 4.121865 pounds to dollars. I'm going to times by 1.46 to convert that to dollars. And that gets me $6.02. So actually, it's better value for money in New York.